Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO A6 Pro 5G, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this phone by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your phone, make sure that the battery level on your phone is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your phone. Now let's continue with the reset itself. So we need to open the settings. So I'm gonna swipe up and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we need to scroll down and find the system and update option and tap on it. And here we need to find the backup and reset. Tap on it, of course. And right here we have the reset phone option. Select it. Then we want to tap on erase all data. If your phone is protected by the lock or pattern, enter it. And then tap on one of the options. We have erase data but retain eSIM profiles or clear all data. I want to remove everything, so I'm gonna tap on clear all data, clear, and wait until the process is complete. This might take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and once you finally see this on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.